Join me as I dive into the world of Fngr stock to see if it's really about to explode. Can I predict its next big move? Fngr stock has been on the radar of many investors lately, and for good reason. This company has shown some impressive moves in the market, making it a hot topic of discussion. What's really interesting is how its performance could reflect broader market trends, or even influence them. So, it's worth taking a closer look at whether Fngr stock is indeed on the verge of a significant explosion in value. One of the main challenges Fngr stock faces today is the overall market volatility. With economic uncertainties and fluctuating investor confidence, any stock's growth can be significantly hindered. On top of that, Fngr has its own set of company-specific issues that have been causing some concern among investors. For instance, there have been questions about its management team's strategic decisions and how they plan to drive growth in a competitive industry. Furthermore, Fngr's financials have shown some red flags, with increasing debt and decreasing cash reserves, which could limit its ability to invest in growth opportunities. Additionally, the industry itself is going through a lot of changes, with new technologies emerging and consumer preferences shifting rapidly, which can be both a challenge and an opportunity for Fngr. Despite these challenges, there are several factors that could lead to a significant rise in Fngr stock. Just recently, the company announced a partnership with a major player in its industry, which could open up new revenue streams. Analyst ratings have also been looking positive, with several experts predicting a strong growth trajectory for Fngr. Moreover, market trends have been favoring companies in this sector, with investors looking for stocks that can offer both stability and growth. Another interesting development is the increasing interest from institutional investors, which often leads to more stability and credibility for the stock. When considering the potential for Fngr stock to explode, there are a few key indicators and events that investors should keep an eye on. One major catalyst could be the upcoming earnings report, which might provide more insight into the company's financial health and strategic direction. Another important event is the planned launch of a new product line, which could significantly boost Fngr's market share. Additionally, any regulatory changes that could impact the industry as a whole are worth monitoring, as they might create new opportunities or challenges for Fngr. Lastly, the stock's technical indicators, such as moving averages and RSI levels, are also crucial in determining its short-term momentum. To wrap things up, we've discussed the potential for Fngr stock to see a significant increase in value, driven by recent news, analyst ratings, and market trends. We've also touched on the challenges it faces, from market conditions to company-specific issues. If you have any thoughts on where Fngr stock is headed, I'd love to hear them. Share your predictions in the comments below. And if you're interested in more stock analysis and market trend insights, be sure to check out my other videos.